Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you 6 beautiful stamping polishes that Born Pretty Store has sent out to me. They are just gorgeous, like let me tell you that up first. I really love them. They're all like pinkish brownish tones, but if you are new to my channel, hi, I would really like it and of course appreciate it if you would subscribe, like and all that jazz. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below just telling me what is your favorite stamping plate or stamping polish and what manicure do you love to wear yourself. But for my little like stamping polish review, I'm going to use a stamping plate by Born Pretty Store as well. I just showed you that a little earlier, and the first color that I'm going to show you is called Orange Autumn. It is really gorgeous. All of the bottles are sealed with plastic and come in nice little like boxes as well. I always keep the boxes with the polishes so that if a sticker would come off of the polish or off of the bottle, I have to say, I still know what name or number that specific polish has. So here you can see it, it's just a random white little box. I really love how Born Pretty Store has amped up their game when it comes to packaging and everything like that. I really love it, especially if you compare it to what the bottles and packaging looked like a couple of years ago, like 5 years ago for instance. It looks really fresh and just really nice these days. So a little heads up about that. They have changed up their bottles a little bit compared to a couple of years ago, but I really like it. But I am going to do some swatches with these polishes on my own natural nails. I already had like a little abstract design on there, nothing special to be honest, just 2 colors, and this is the first one. If you want to know any links or anything to everything I'm using in this video, I will leave it in the description box and also maybe in the pinned comment as well. But if you do have any polish stuck to the skin surrounding the nail, you can easily remove that with a little piece of tape. If you don't want the hassle of removing it with some acetone or nail polish remover or anything like that, a little piece of random household tape works wonders. Of course you can use Scotch tape as well if you have that laying around, but I always go for regular tape. The second color I'm showing you here is called Misty Life. This one is kind of like those lovely in-between purple and pink shades, which is gorgeous for fall. But to be honest, it's a pretty nice color to wear all year round if you ask me. This bottle didn't have a sticker on the bottom, hence the reason I actually keep the boxes with the names on it like next to the bottles, or just store the bottles into those boxes and then put them in my little like storage shelves or units. So yeah, that is just one thing I wanted to mention. Sometimes stickers are missing or fall off or anything like that, so yeah, always keep your boxes. That is a little tip I wanted to share. But the third one I also wanted to add to my pointer fingernail, and this one is called Tale of Dark. This entire 6-piece stamping polish collection, I'd say, is kind of like dark but also has some really nice pink shades, but all of the colors go really well together, and I think you can do some really cute designs just combining 2 or 3 of the colors in one specific design. Of course you can always use these polishes as like a full regular nail polish as well. Just apply them full on the nail if you want to. These are just regular nail polishes, so you don't have to cure them or anything like that, and you can easily remove them with acetone or nail polish remover as well. But if you're like, I think I like them better as regular polishes because these are highly pigmented, one coat will be just fine to apply to the nail. But if you do so, always remember to add a base coat because these are so pigmented they might stain or discolor the nail, so always give your nail a little bit of protection by using a base coat. But the next color already is this one. This one is called You Are Beauty, and as you can see here, it also shows on the box what number it is, so you can easily look it up at bornprettystore.com if you're just interested in this particular color. So yeah, that was just a little side note. But this is like one of those nice medium pink tones. It's kind of like a rosy pink if you ask me, and if you guys know me, you know that I love my pink tones, and that is exactly the reason why I was really excited to try out these stamping polishes. But I'm just going to apply this one to the finger to the middle fingernail, I have to say. Oh, and the stamper that I'm using, you can just use any stamper. This one is just by Essence. It's the one I always use, but Born Pretty Store has some really nice stampers as well. But because this one was already out and I use it all the time, I was like, let's just use it for this video as well. But I am using a scraper by Born Pretty Store, which is one of my favorites. It's just like sturdy enough but flexible enough as well, if you know what I mean. But the next color I'm going to show you is called Pretty in Pink, and this one has a little shimmer to it. All of the other colors from this 6-piece collection are all like fully creamy colors, no shimmer or glitter or anything like that, and that's also why I really like this color. It really stands out like in the crowd, I'd say. It's just a really nice one, and the shimmer is really pretty as well. So I think that if you are really into pinks like I am personally myself too, this would be a great color just to apply all over the nail like a regular nail polish, and just use it as a base and cover it up with some nice images which you're stamping on with other colors from this collection. It's just a really nice, lovely, like baby to Barbie pink kind of tone. The other color I really wanted to share with you guys, and which is really stunning as well, is called Warm Mist. This is more of one like those neon Barbie pinks. I really love colors like these. Again, be careful if you are going to apply this full onto the nail like a regular nail polish, because it is so pigmented. I am sure this one will be a nail stainer. So use a base coat or even a double layer of base coat if you're going to use this one on your natural nails, because I'm pretty much sure it will cause some staining. But it's a really lovely color, and I actually can't wait to use this one in like a full on pink set or something like that, with stamped images on there, maybe some glitter, some bling, you know. I love my bling and glitter. But that was that last color already. I am going to do some like separate swatches in my little booklet that I usually use when I'm reviewing and trying out new stamping plates. So just a little quick swipe of each color to show you how opaque these are if you would apply them to the nail directly like a regular nail polish. I really love these, even though these are like more dark colors and I tend to wear those more in fall and winter. I do think that these are very wearable, especially if you aren't allowed at work or school or anything like that to wear super bright colors. I think these are very wearable, like really suitable for any occasion as well. Of course, the bright pink at the end and the lighter pink are a little bit more in your face, but the other colors are very wearable in my opinion, and the entire like color combination of these 6 tones go together so well. I do feel like the first 3 colors, like the top row, is a little bit more on the warmer side, so if you're not really into warm colors, I'd say skip them, but they are very nice colors. Especially the third one is more of like a neutral warm shade, but I think it's really gorgeous and it will go with a lot of other colors as well. But so far the colors that I really wanted to share with you today. I will leave the link and all of the information in the comment section down below, as well as the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a discount code for bornprettystore.com, so if you want to use that, you're free to do so. It is for 20% off of your own purchase, and you can use it multiple times, so it's like easy to use it. If you want to order now, maybe next month or the month after, you can use it multiple times. It is FEM20, and I will leave it in the description box as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Let me know what color is your favorite from this particular 6-piece collection, and as usual, I would love to see you in one of my next videos.